Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build investment knowledge with Motley Fool, beginner guide step by step clearly. To build your investment knowledge with Motley Fool, begin by visiting the Motley Fool website. Create an account to access exclusive content and resources. Explore the free articles available on the platform. Familiarize yourself with basic investment concepts through their beginner guides. Check out the Fool School section for in-depth educational material. Listen to their podcasts to gain insights on market trends and investment strategies. Consider subscribing to their premium service for deeper analysis and stock recommendations. Read the daily and weekly newsletters for updates and tips from their experts. Engage with the community on their discussion boards to ask questions and share insights. Follow the market commentary to stay informed about economic news and trends. Utilize their stock screener tool to assess potential investment opportunities. Review their recommended stocks and analyze the rationale behind each suggestion. Attend webinars or live events to learn directly from investing professionals. Start small by investing in stocks you feel confident about as you gain experience. Monitor your investments closely and adjust your strategy based on ongoing learning. Build a diversified portfolio to minimize risks and enhance your investment potential. Continuously educate yourself by revisiting Motley Fool resources and staying updated on changes in the market. By consistently using these tools and resources, you'll develop a strong foundation in investing. Over time, you'll gain the confidence to make informed investment decisions. Remember, building knowledge is a gradual process, so be patient and persistent. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account in payment. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.